So Leetpic just sent me this tailgate pad to do an installation video, but I thought one video wasn't enough, so I did two, but they're combined into one. I wanted your help. Let me know which version you think is worth sending to them. Leave a comment down below. Open up your tailgate pad and place it on the truck. And open up the tailgate access door and pin it back using the Velcro strap. Lower the tailgate to about 45 degrees. Start working the 4 straps through the bottom of the tailgate. Secure the strap by going through the far end of the buckle, then looping back through the near end and pulling down to cinch. Continue this process for the remaining 3 straps. After that, pull the pad into place, making sure that the alignment blocks are on top, and close your tailgate. Now cinch all the straps down tight. That's it. If your bike's got a larger down tube like this e-bike, you can link 2 of the top straps together to increase the length, and you are all set to transport your bike. Thanks for watching. Okay, this isn't necessarily the recommended installation, but it's an alternative one if you want to try it. For me, first thing you gotta do is disconnect your backup camera. What? Oh, that's not for you. As you can see, it's already quite convenient. Take a screwdriver or other small implement and pry off your tailgate. Line up the notch and remove the whole tailgate. Lay your tailgate down on the tailgate pad and begin to wrap. Once you've got a good wrap going, pin it down, strap the tailgate pad in place.
I don't know if this is easier.
Now that the pad is on, you can lift your tailgate back up. Gingerly reinstall your tailgate, reconnect your backup camera. Get some dirt in your eye.
Now you're ready to load your bike.
And time. So that's a different way to install your new tailgate pad.